It was a proud night for Connor Bradley, Cade Gordon and Tyler Morton and the Liverpool Academy on Tuesday when the young trio made their first team debuts in the Carabao Cup win at Norwich City. It will have been something that Bradley and Gordon will have been dreaming of since they signed for the club in September 2019 and February 2021 respectively. But for Morton, his impressive second half appearance would have been something he has imagined since he was a small boy. A lifelong Liverpool fan, the midfielder was born on the Wirral and was spotted playing for Jay Spearing's old junior club, Greenlees FC, in Wallasey at the age of 7. Everton also invited the young Morton to train at their academy, but once his club came calling, there was no contest. The now 18-year-old has remained with the Reds ever since, and the moment he will have cherished came 45 minutes into the 3-0 victory at Norwich, when he replaced the injured Naby Keita at half-time. While Morton has forged his reputation as an attacking midfielder, he slotted seamlessly into the holding role, perfected by Fabinho. His passing and assurance on the ball belied his tender age, but anyone who has watched Morton for the academy sides will already have known that the club has another talent on its hands. Last season was his best yet, paving the way for him to train and play with Jurgen Klopp's senior stars in pre-season, and then make his Liverpool debut at Carrow Road. Across all competitions and both under-18s and under-23s age groups, Morton ended the 2020-21 season with 10 goals and 7 assists in 25 games. For comparison, in his final season as purely a youth player, Curtis Jones got 14 goals and 6 assists in 19 matches. But he was playing for a significant chunk of those matches on the left-hand side of a front three, or as a number 10 and on one occasion as a centre-forward. Morton is a number 8, although he proved against Norwich that he can operate in the 6 role too. Steven Gerrard was Morton's hero growing up, and now he looks up to Thiago, saying he copies everything the Spaniard does. Injury to Thiago denied Morton the chance of playing alongside his inspiration on Tuesday evening, but if he can continue the progression he is making, that day could soon come.